Camp Harley. So what is important about your CT scan is there is no signs of bleeding. Okay, there's no bleeding within your brain. This is probably the old cerebral infarction, the old blood clot that you had before.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the new one, there's probably it's just a lacunar infarct. It's too small, and sometimes it couldn't be seen on the CT scan.
Mhm.
Okay, but what is important is there's no bleeding inside the brain. Okay,
Yeah.
so if you're wondering, I'm already giving you Fondaparinux. Is a blood thinner that is being injected in your under the skin, subcutaneously.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yes, and then the plan is eventually, aside from clopidogrel, I might continue you on aspirin and clopidogrel for about 2 months. Okay, and then we
What
will
medicine that?
what
What medicine?
aspirin and clopidogrel.
Oh,
Yeah.
is it blood thinner?
Both are blood thinner, but eventually when we will send you home, we will send you on 2 antiplatelets, on 2 tablet.
Doctor,
Yeah.
Mel
Yeah.
said that this morning.
Yeah. So we might maintain you on 2 blood thinners, the aspirin and clopidogrel, when you go home. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm gonna recommend that you will start your physical therapy already.
Okay, well, they start today.
Hopefully, hopefully Dr. Dizon or Dr. Tuason will be able to come here to see you to make the program for your physical therapy.
Okay. But yesterday was a bad day, bad day. B-A-D, bad.
What? Sorry. Okay, just speak slowly. I'm gonna